Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to activate One UI 8 navbar feature on your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first download this app on your Galaxy device. This app download link available on description. Before install this app, first disable app protection. Simply go to Play Store and go to Play Protect and disable Google Play Protection. Now go to Setting, go to Privacy and disable Auto Blocker. Now guys, look at this. I disable my system navbar. And let me show you how to install new navbar on your Galaxy device. Then simply install this app on your Galaxy device. After install, simply tap on Done and open this app. After open, simply tap on Running. Look at this. For now, this app not enabled. Then simply set permissions. Now look at this. Navbar is enabled. But for now, this work on only in just one notification. So simply tap on Rules, go to Progress, tap on Allow, and guys, simply disable native progress. Now navbar access any app notification. Guys, you only set only selected apps or excluded apps. Look at this. If you want to use these system apps, then also use on system apps. Now simply go back. Now guys, look at this. Navbar perfectly work on my Galaxy device. Let me show you on lock screen. Look at this. This is glossy look. Now let me show you OTP codes. Guys, simply select enable OTP codes, or if you want to enable auto copy OTP code, then simply turn on this option. Now go back. Look at this smart conversation. You also enable smart conversation, network connection, so guys, you also enable this new navbar feature on your any Galaxy device. Look at this little bit glossy look on navbar. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.